Hello students, in this video we will be discussing a numerical on the studied concept. See the next problem. What is the minimum EB by N0 required to achieve spectral efficiency of 6 bits per second by H? Option A 5.2, option B 5.3, option C 10.5, option D 15.8. One of the excellent problem. In the previous questions itself we seen what is the spectral efficiency. Spectral efficiency means what I told, RB by bandwidth. RB by bandwidth is called spectral efficiency. How we can get this one is from the capacity of a channel. C equal to B into log base 2 1 plus S by N. This C means you can replace with R. R means RB only. Bandwidth means B here. Log 2 1 plus signal power. Power can be written as a how? Power equal to energy by time. So I can write S as a EB, energy per bit into time. 1 by time means you can write as a RB divided by N is nothing but N not B. Are you following? Energy by time is called power. Divided by time means divided by TB. If I write in the numerator, RB. Can I write this as a C? Apply anti-log with the 2 base, then how it will be 1 plus EB RB by N not B equal to 2 power RB by capital B, E plus 1 if you are coming this side, minus 1. So EB RB by N not B equal to 2 power RB by B minus 1. Then what is EB by N naught? EB by N naught is nothing but 2 power RB by B minus 1 divided by, this comes in the numerator. Numerator will comes in the denominator. Denominator will be in the numerator. How I am writing is that, see, this I am writing as a RB by B. What I am writing? RB by B. Anyhow, B comes in the numerator, that I kept as in the denominator of denominator. EB by N naught he wants. What is this RB by B value given? Bandwidth 6 given. So substitute all values. This is 2 power RB by B is 6 minus 1 divided by, that is 6. Calculate, you will get 10.5. 10.5 means option C. One of the excellent problem asking in the ESC 17. These type of questions, chances also there as a 2 marks question in GATE. Try to understand that. Because we already know C greater than or equal to R. R means RB. So max value itself is you can take, minimum value itself is you can take RB. So in place of C you can replace RB. See the next problem. It is a common data question. A general problem they are asking in the ESC examination. What is the data? A binary system. A binary system linking teletypewriters to a computer operates at a mean frequency of 1080 to 980 when one is transmitted and 1180 for 0 transmission. First question, the maximum permittable data rate for this system is option A 200 bits per second, option B 200 watts, option C 100 watts, option D 1080 bits per second. Next question, in case of a zero crossing detector is used in this system, indicates a time of 510 milliseconds. The state of the received would be. This is one of the general problem. Try to see. Maximum permittable data rate is nothing but the bandwidth RB. RB is nothing but bandwidth. What is the bandwidth? From where to where we are using 1080 to 980. So lower frequency is 980, higher frequency is 1180. So what is the bandwidth? Highest minus lowest. How much will come? 200. So 200 bits per second. Not the baud rate, it's a bits. 200 bit per second. Nothing is there in the problem. Second question, C. Zero crossing means when the signal is crossing zero, he told when at a 510. To complete one cycle, 2 zero crossovers will come. So 2 into 510 will be, so 2 into 510, the time period will get 2 into 510 is 1020 into 10 power minus 6. This is what time. Then what is the frequency, sir? 1 by time. Calculate, you will get 980. Means frequency is 980. Frequency is 980 means which is for that anyone who is coming in between means 1. So the received, it will be 1 in that situation. Because zero crossover in the system indicates the time of 5-10 seconds. So to complete a full cycle means 2 zero crossovers now. So 2 into 510, that's the time period. Frequency calculated, that is in the range of binary 1. So binary 1 is received. It's one of the general problem on digital communication.